Hi, I'm Hadas from Canva. Welcome to my channel and to the Canva Snacks, a series of bite-sized tutorials in less than 5 minutes to teach you how to use Canva at its best. Please subscribe so you'll get notified every time a Canva snack is uploaded to the channel, and you're most welcome to also join my Facebook community called Canva. Although in Hebrew, you can easily translate and enjoy free tips, tricks, and lots of inspiration. So, are you ready? Let's go! So you have this beautiful design, but you're not 100% sure that you're keen on this color scheme or the fonts combination. Well, Canva got you covered. Let's go to the left black bar and click on the Styles tab. Once we click on that, we get so many options to play with. Up here we have the Colors tab and the Fonts tab, where we can check out some more options. Let's start with the Colors tab. I can go here and play with any color palette that I'd like, and everything will change automatically. If you have a Pro account, then you can use your brand kit color scheme and play around with your brand colors. You can always click on Shuffle and see how it looks. If you don't have a Pro account, you have some trending, cool, amazing color palettes that you can click on any one of them. If you're not happy with it, you can always shuffle the colors and play with its location. So let's go around and play. Okay, so I really like this one, but I'm not sure about the font combination. No worries, let's go up here and click on the Fonts tab. Here you can again use your brand kit fonts if you have a Pro account, or try the trending font pairings. So let's see what happens if I click on Voga and Vera Sans Medium. Okay. And then you can play around with your design and add whatever it is that you think that is missing. And if you want to check out the whole package, including colors and fonts, you can just click on the All tabs and then go ahead and play with this. So you have fonts and also color schemes, and then you can play with everything simultaneously. This is so cool! I can play with this forever. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the snack. Now, if you don't own a Pro account and you'd like to give it a try, I will be very happy to give you 45 days to try out Canva Pro for free. No strings attached. You'll find the link in the comments below. I'll see you all next time. Bye!